Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Karuna Najwa binti Abidin and I am a student at University Pendidikan Sultan Idris in game design and development. And today I'm going to show you 4 things. Firstly, I'm going to show you on how to install Python. Second, I'm going to show you on how to install PyGame. And third, I'm going to show you on how to create Hello World using PyGame. And fourth, I'm going to show you on how to create shapes and lines also in PyGame. Okay, now I'm going to start with the first content, which is how to download Python. So to download Python, firstly, you need to open your browser, which is what I use is Google Chrome. Click on it and go on the search bar and type in Python. And when this appeared, you just need to click on this 3.8.5, which is the new version of Python. And then you just need to scroll down until you see this one. And as you can see, there is a lot of version of Python. And what I'm gonna use is for my Windows 65-bit laptop is this one, executable installer. So I'm just gonna click and download this one. And next you can just save everywhere you want, and I'm gonna save it on my desktop, so I'm gonna click save. And then after it has been downloaded, you just need to click on it and this one will appear. Normally people will use this install now, and this is where the path of the program that will be downloaded. But for me, I'm gonna use this customized installation so that it will be much more easier for me to install the PyGame that I will show you later. So make sure both of these box is being checked, and then click on customize installation, and then you can just leave all of this as default and click on next. And as you can see, this is where the Python will be installed. So instead of this path, I will create my own path. Just click on browse, and then you can just click on this PC and then open your C drive. As you can see, there is no folder that is named Python, so I'm just going to make a new one in the C drive. Click on make new folder and then name it Python. And then click on this Python that you made earlier and click on OK, and then click install, and then you just need to wait the installation to be finished. And then as you can see, the Python had been successfully installed, so just click on close and then done. Your Python had been already installed in your PC or laptop. Okay, before we move on to how to install PyGame, firstly we need to make sure if the Python working or not. So just click on your Windows and then click on all apps, and then as you can see, this is all that had been recently added for Python. There is Python 3.8 module, Python 3.8, Python 3.8 manuals, and idle. And to check it, you just click on this Python IDLE, and then this will appear. And then to make sure if it is working or not, I'm just gonna type in a simple code. Okay, then I'm gonna type a simple code, which is print hello world, and then press enter. And as you can see, if hello world appeared as the output, then it means that your IDLE or idle Python is working fine. Okay, so after all of that have been done, you just need to go to your search bar and type in command prompt, and then click on it. This will appear, and then you just type in Python version, and then press enter. And as you can see, it will show you the Python version that you had already been downloaded. And it will show you the Python version that you had already downloaded. Okay, then you need to type in pip version, and this one, pip, is actually a Python package manager, and then you just need to click enter. Okay, if this appears, it means that your pip is working fine. Okay, after you check both of these, and next we will move on to the second content, which is on how to download or install PyGame. To install PyGame, we just need to type in pip install PyGame and press enter. And as you can see, the PyGame had been installed successfully. Okay, in order to create a hello world, you just need to open your Python idle, this one, and then before you start, click on file, and then click on new file and save as. You can just save everywhere you want, but for me, I'm gonna save it on desktop. I'm gonna name it hello world. Click on save, and the code that you will need to use to create hello world is this code. Okay, in order to create hello world, you just need to type in all of this code. After that, you just need to click on F5 or click on this run, and then click OK. And then as you can see, this is the output, which is the tab shown hello world. And that is on how to create hello world. Okay, we're gonna move to the next one, which is the shapes and lines. And to create lines and shapes, you just need to do what you already did with on how to create hello world. Just click on file and new file, and for this one you just need to save it on your desktop and save as shapes and lines, and then click on save. And to create the shapes and lines, this is the code that I already copied beforehand, and I'm gonna paste it here. Okay, let's see the output. And as you can see, this is the output, and here I'm gonna explain on how each code works. So for this code, pygame.display.set_caption shapes, this just change the name of the window type in Pygame. That is this one. As you can see, shapes. And for this code, white, black, red, and green, blue, and the number behind it, it was what to determine the color of your shapes. And then for this one, background underscore white, it was to determine your background color, which is I choose white. And then this code width comma height equals to 600 comma 600 is the node that just set the screen resolution and size. The formula is pixel width and pixel height. And then we are gonna move on to the next code, which is this one. PyGame draw rectangle screen green 100, 225, 200, 101. Okay, this code is what needed to make this rectangle, and the formula used is what display screen. Green is the color, this one is x, y, the coordinate, and width, height, and the one is for thickness. And for circle, line, and polygon is all using the same concept as this rectangle. But for circle, you need to make the code look like this. And then the line, and for polygon is for the triangle. Okay, that's all on how each code works. That's all for today, and I hope you get something from this video. So, goodbye and assalamualaikum.